Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying support and preparing devices. Check that the phone and nodes support Wi-Fi or Bluetooth mesh and that firmware is current. Once done, install the official mesh app and any required developer tools, then enable location and background permissions so discovery works reliably. Next, power and place nodes near each other and assign simple labels for onboarding. These steps get you from zero to ready so you can begin secure provisioning without interrupting later steps. You now provision devices and shape the network topology. Start discovery in the app, select a node and follow secure provisioning prompts. You'll input keys or accept QR codes. Once nodes are on the mesh, assign roles like relay, friend, or proxy based on location and battery constraints so traffic routes efficiently. Then tweak parameters such as TTL, retransmit counts, and heartbeat intervals to balance responsiveness and power use. Make sure to document group ID and keys so you can scale without confusion. You finish by validating functionality and securing the mesh. Run route checks and range tests to confirm coverage, watching for packet loss or high latency, then apply OTA firmware updates and export configuration backups. Lock down permissions and rotate keys if available to protect the network. If a node stops responding, first check power and RF interference, then perform a selective reset and reprovision that device or reassign its role. This targeted troubleshooting restores service without rebuilding the whole mesh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.